are you? Wait, what? So you're not coming? But I'm already here. I know, but Mom, don't we owe it to Grandpa to... Yeah, I know, it's just... What? You can't sell the clock? Grandpa's had that for years.
Okay, whatever. It's fine. I can just start clearing out my boxes and then... I don't know. We can come back tomorrow and do the rest? Yeah. Bye.
I'm really going to miss you, Grandpa. All right, let's do this. I have always loved the British countryside. It's a shame to be stuck in here on such a nice day. Not to mention all the memories. Oh, Grandma's cello. So this is where it ended up. Oh, Grandma's cello. So this is where it ended up. I really wish I knew if that was in tune or not. It's a magnifying glass. For magnifying things. It's a magnifying glass. For magnifying things. It's a banker's lamp. Probably really old, but in great condition. Aw, it's a picture of us. Grandpa, you sweet old bastard. It's Grandpa on one of his expeditions. He sure was adventurous. I wonder where this is, and what Grandpa was doing there. I'm going to miss hearing about all of your adventures. This must be from Grandma and Grandpa's wedding. They look so sweet together. I'm only here to pick up my stuff, but maybe I'll grab this later. Oh, Grandpa's old travel diary. Seems like a few pages are missing. Pele, goddess of fire. Why was Grandpa researching Hawaiian myths? I should see if I can find the missing pages before moving this. A desk drawer. It's locked. 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 A desk drawer. An open desk drawer. A desk drawer. It's locked. 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 A desk drawer. This seems to belong to the diary. It's going to take forever to sort through all these. Grandpa sure did like his books.
The Hero with 1,000 Faces by Joseph Campbell.
Celtic Myths and Legends.
Fairies by Brian Froud and Alan Lee. These books are all so old. Hey, wait. Is that the biography of George Lucas?
It's going to take forever to sort through all these. Grandpa sure did like his books. Maps. Lots of maps. Grandpa loved reading maps and making maps. I wonder how many of these he charted or drew himself. Ah, the old gramophone. Yeah, I used to put this on for Grandpa after dinner, and we'd sit and listen to it together. I've never been much into swing music, but it was our little tradition. Ah, the old gramophone. What's this? A tape recorder.
Hello, this is Howard James Wright with a message for my granddaughter, Sarah Elizabeth Wright. So if anyone else is listening, they can start off immediately, please. Sarah, if you are listening to this, then it means I'm gone. But I don't want you to be too sad about it. That's just the way life goes sometimes. So, chin up, my little pixie. Remember our grand moments. All the adventures we had when you were a little one and I wasn't such a cranky old man. I know you have questions for me. It's true I kept secrets from you and your mother, but there were good reasons. There are things in this world greater than ourselves, and I needed to protect you from them. I didn't want either of you to face the dangers that I've had to. I never wanted to place such a burden on your shoulders, but now it's unavoidable. Pixie, I need your help. But I can't just tell you. I have to show you. You will need to see for yourself. This world is full of secrets. From the tallest tree to the deepest river, in every breath of wind and every dancing flame. All you have to do is look. Goodbye, Sarah. I love you very much.
Goodbye, Grandpa. Hey, Mr. Pickles. How have you been holding up? Hey, Mr. Pickles. Oh man, my old A station. I spent hours playing games on this thing. I must have played through the Adventures of Merida every single summer I was here. I wonder if it still works. Damn, the adapter's missing. Probably for the best. I wouldn't get anything done today if I started playing.
It's a landscape painting of Whittington. It's of a farm not far from where Grandma used to work. It's a landscape painting of Whittington. It's of a field just outside of the village. This one always gave me chills. I am not taking this with me right now.
My grandfather's grandfather clock. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if Grandpa loved this thing. Told me it was one of a kind. Although, he never actually told me why. It's locked. Come to think of it, I don't even know where he got it from. On one of his travels, I guess.
It's a chessboard, with the game already in progress. I wonder who's winning. Actually, I wonder who Grandpa was playing. There's no one to play. And I'm not sure I even know the proper rules.
The Hero with 1,000 Faces by Joseph Campbell.
A typewriter. Can't imagine it's been used much. Grandpa was always the fountain pen type.
Nah, I don't feel like reading up on kings, countries, or history right now.
Whoa. This looks like it belongs in a museum. Or like a Scottish cathedral. Nuh-uh. I've watched too many movies to go about stealing ancient relics.
Could this be one of the diary pages?
An old bicycle. I'm pretty sure this exact model is in fashion again. The rust just makes it more hip. I came by train, I'm leaving by train. It's an old table lamp. It's a small, simple key. Maybe it fits the desk. This looks like one of the diary pages. This tin box looks fairly old, and has a combination lock on it.
It's locked.
It looks like a torn out page. What's this? A pretty fancy looking compass. I guess Grandpa used it a lot during his travels. Nah, I can find my way back to the train station without it. That's a really nice binocular. Monocular?
This will be perfect for my next sail across the seven seas, but I'll leave it where it is for now. Does this globe have anything to do with Grandpa's message? Shu, Egypt, and a symbol of a swirl? Fusang, China, and a symbol of a tree. Hey, this is that goddess thing mentioned in Grandpa's diary. Paryakaka, South America. And that looks like a drop of water. Okay. These can be pushed. I did it! This looks like... Is this a second part of my necklace? Whoa! Whoa. Serious whoa. I have always loved the British countryside. Whoa, fancy key. Okay. Weren't these triangles in the journal pages?
first time I traveled by magic, pulling at the thread that would unravel my grandfather's mysteries. I so wish he told me sooner, so we could have gone on at least one adventure together. Instead, I went on his adventure, the one that never was. But that is a longer story, for another time.